Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To gain API access, start by visiting the website of the service offering the API. Look for a section often labeled Developers or API, and sign up for an API key if required. Ensure you read the documentation thoroughly to understand the API's capabilities and limitations. Use the provided API endpoints in your application as specified in the documentation, passing your API key if necessary. Lastly, test your integration to verify that everything works as expected. Remember, good API etiquette involves handling data responsibly and adhering to rate limits.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.